So guys, I wanted to make this video just to apologise to Tim Sykes and Tim Sykes fans, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So guys, this is kind of an apology video. I've received a lot of hate from my last Tim Sykes video. As you can see, the likes and dislikes. And I've been getting a lot of backlash about the video. So I kind of wanted to take this moment to apologise.
To absolutely nobody! The double champ does what the he wants!
So as I said before, I don't really give a shit if Tim Sykes is upset about the video or his little bumhurt fans. I'm not here to make anyone happy. I'm here to give my 100% honest opinion on what I think, and I'm going to call it the way I see it. Just to clarify to all Tim and his fans, I've never said Tim has not made millions stock trading. I've never once said that. I've also never said that he doesn't have millionaire students. So just to clarify once again, I've never said he's a scam artist also, so you can stop putting that in the comments. This video is just my 100% honest opinion because I don't like the way he styles, I don't like the way he markets, and I don't like him as a person, nor do I like his content. So this video is just really to say to all you guys, I don't really care that you're absolutely destroying the dislike button. So again guys, these videos are all just made for my 100% honest opinion, and I call it the way I see it. If you don't like my 100% honest opinion on a video, that's absolutely fine. I'm not here to make everyone like me. I'm here to give content and feedback where I think can help you and put you on the right direction. These are some of the comments that people hated on.
Who the fuck is that guy?
And guys, I want to thank all my fans and loyal subscribers that have stuck with me from the start to the beginning, and some of them have defended me in some of the comments in the video, so I want to thank you guys personally for that. And again, if you were hurt by the video,
Get the fuck out of here!
And you were a fan by Tim,
Get the fuck out of here!
So guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and if you are a Tim Sykes fan, make sure you hit that bell notification. Once again guys, God bless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education, and I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link guys, I hope you all enjoy.